this video, I'll get you introduced to our new Bluetooth breakout board followed with a demo. Let me introduce to our new Bluetooth breakout board called as BlueB. BlueB is a simple breakout board for HC05 Bluetooth module. HC05 Bluetooth serial module is used for converting serial port to Bluetooth. This module has two modes called master and slave. The master and slave mode can be changed by AT commands. After power on, it can enter the AT mode by triggering key pin with high level. In master mode, we can pair with cell phone, computer adapters and slave devices. There is only point-to-point communication. The best part of BlueB is it is very compact and the size is 2.5 into 3 centimeters only. We can easily interface BlueB with chipkit, Arduino, BeagleBoard, BeagleBone and many more microcontrollers and microprocessors. Now let us watch a demo that we have made using our BlueB. Here we have built a 3-wheel robot based on MSP430 launchpad. MSP430 can be used for low-powered embedded devices. The electric current drawn is idle can be less than 1 milliamp. The top CPU speed is 25 MHz. It can be throttled back for lower power consumption. I have used MSP430G2553 series controller. This has the features like flash-based ultra low power up to 16 MIPS with 1.8 to 3.6 volt operation. This includes the very low power oscillator, external pull-up or pull-down resistor and low pin counts. BlueB is interfaced with MSP430. As BlueB is 3.3 volt, we can directly connect MSP430 DCC to run the motor driver circuit, and 5 volt is supplied to run the DC motor. BlueB communicates between Android app and MSP430 launchpad and drives the motor accordingly. Now let us power on the circuit using a 12 volt battery. Once I power on the circuit, BlueB starts blinking. This means that the device is not paired up. So let us pair a device by using our Android app. HC05 is the Bluetooth module that we are using. As it is paired, the light goes on our BlueB. So let us control the bot using the Android app. When I press front, the bot goes front. When I press stop, the bot stops. When I press left, the bot turns left. When I press right, the bot goes right. For more information, please contact us on www.tenettech.com.